Today I'm going to show you guys my beauty room. I'm going to show you what I have in my beauty room, where I film, the things that I use them. So if I forget anything or forget to say anything or say where I got something, I will link it down below, or I will do it, say it in this, link it in the description below. So yeah, guys. Sorry. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's my beauty room tour. I already did my vanity makeup tours or makeup collection. So if you guys want to see that, I will link it down below or link it at the end of the video as well, so you guys can check that out before you check this one out. So yeah, I'm still working on my makeup room because I still want like a couple other things that I want to add in shelves and drawers and things like that. But for now, I figured let me just do it and show you guys how I film, when I film, and how I film and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and as well follow me in my socials. It will be in the description below and also at the end of the video. So yeah, for no further ado, guys, get a snack, get comfortable, and I hope you guys enjoy my video in my beauty room tour. So when you walk into my beauty room, okay, so when you walk into my beauty room, here you're gonna have this little it's like a little shelf that I have. I kind of spray painted it, and the spray paint obviously ran out. But I have like some of my you call it like matte face masks, self tanning, also more little Aveeno clear complexion pads, and my little lotions. I have my coconut oil, organic coconut oil for my hair, Moroccan oil. Then I have this community monitor here that I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. So yeah, I love this shelf here because it's cute. It kind of holds certain things that I don't have room for, which in another video I can go and show you my skincare, because I have a whole bunch, and that's in my medicine cabinet in the bathroom. So yeah, this is what you see in the beginning, to the left, to the right of the door. And then up here I have this thing that I got. It's this cute little gift, which I really love. It has my name on it, like my supervisor did it for teacher appreciation, which I really appreciate. I love it. Here sometimes I write down like what videos I'm gonna film, what look I want to do. You can barely see, but you just gotta get a darker marker. But yeah, I really love it. I think it's so pretty. I love it because it's like my favorite colors: purple, teal. I love that. So yeah, that's really pretty. I love that. Here is of course the big closet, which I will show different time because it's kind of messy right now. But yeah, and then here to the corner you have this little chair. It does not go with my decor because I want it to be white, teal, and kind of gray in here. But I want to like find a cover to replace that brown cover that I have. So if anyone knows any suggestions, please comment down below and let me know where I can find like a cute white or teal kind of cover for that, so I can change it. But for now, I leave it there. I think it's cute. Like when I have somebody's makeup that I'm doing and they have a certain extra person, I just, you know, have them sit there. So I love that. I also have these white curtains on the side, only because I want white until I find like ones that have white, teal, and gray together as a pattern. But I love my makeup room because of this big window. Like this window is so amazing. It brings so much natural light into the room, and it makes everything so spacious. You know what I mean? Like, sorry, you guys are gonna see me over there looking crazy. Yeah, so I woke up, took a shower, ate breakfast. So I feel like I wanted to film today, especially my beauty room, because I did my vanity makeup video, which you guys can check it out at the end of the video. I'll have it down link below and at the end of the video. So I'm like, man, I need to do my beauty room tour so they can know. Okay, so now here in the middle I have this little table, and as you can see, my dog right there, Nala. So yeah, here is my table that I use on a daily basis to film. Like if I'm filming in my room, I just use this little table. It's like a little desk my husband had, but he just gave it to me for now because I eventually want to get like a little white table. I want everything to be white in my room, white, gray, things like that, those nice colors. So right here, what I usually do is have my things that I use daily, which is my SPF, my moisturizer. In the back, that green one is like makeup remover. So these are all the things that I use every day, like the concealers, my sprays, my brushes, and the palettes. I'll show you where I have those at. So yeah, this is the desk that I usually sit and film in. And then that little mirror right there, as you can see. As you can see, and of course you can see me. So yeah, this is what I use excuse me, And I like it because when I sit in front of it, and it's a beautiful day. As you can see, I could use a natural light. Perfect. But then I do use these lights that are, I got on Amazon, which I could definitely show you guys. I'll link down below. And they're from Mount Dog. It literally came with three of these stands, and 3 lights. So I like the lights as well. They're really bright. It really gives your face a nice look when you're videotaping. So I came with 3 of these, and I will link it down below in the description. But I did got it in Amazon. My uncle got it for me, which I'm so grateful for. I do want to get a ring light, but they're kind of pricey, so I'm still trying to look around. So anybody has any ideas of like a good affordable ring light, please let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that as well. Okay, and then here I have over here my desk. So this desk is where I have my computer, and then I have my laptop as well there. I have my printer there, and then I have some things like camera things that I have here as well, pens, pencils, markers, all that good stuff. And of course my high school diploma. So this is my desk. Usually sometimes I use this chair when I'm filming, or I use my other little chair when I'm filming. So yeah, this is like my little desk work area, you know, things like that. I do like the desk, but I think I'm gonna like spray paint the top white, or if not, like put like marble white contact paper over it so it can look nice, because I like that. I don't like that brown kind of woody look. So yeah, and then here, this thing right here that we have, I sometimes use to film as well. You can use to film. You can put your phone on there to film when you want to use your phone. Like right now I'm using my phone because my camera right now is dead. So yeah, I'm using my phone, which my phone is an iPhone. iPhone, and is bomb. It does good videos. So yeah, here I have just a little hat that my husband bought me, which I'm still kind of iffy about wearing hats. But anyways, so yeah, this is my little desk where I work, do things that I got to do. So on this, there's nothing here. So yeah, then I have my little shelves. As you guys can see, these shelves are the dupes for the IKEA Alex drawers. But I had these before under my desk, and for some reason I liked it like that. But I was like, I want to make my room look more like, you know, better, and kind of like occupy space that there's in my room. So I kind of like stacked them up on top of each other, and I literally organized my makeup to where I can find it, where I know where it's at, easy and good to go. So yeah, this is. And then I have little quotes. I love having quotes in the room because it kind of inspires me every day when I'm in my room and I'm filming. I look at them, I read them, and like inspires me to do good and do better, and just like, you know. So the one says live, laugh, and love, which is true. You should live life, laugh, and love a lot. And the other one is faith, hope, and love, because without faith, we don't have hope, and then we don't have love. So yeah, I love looking at those little quotes and just reading them and reminding myself every day. Also on this wall, I have one, stay humble, be kind, and work hard, which is true. You know, some people sometimes forget to be humble and to be kind to others, and to actually work hard for what they want in life and to accomplish. So yeah, there's my vanity. You guys all know my vanity tour, what I did on my vanity. So that table, I did get it in IKEA, and then these I got in Michael's, which I could link it down below. So yeah, I actually love those drawers. Like, I want to get 2 more to then maybe put under my desk, or just maybe to stack up next to it. I'm still gonna try to figure out, because I like my room the way it is right now, but I still feel like I want to like move it around some other way, because I like my desk in the middle of the room for the natural lighting, but I don't know if it looks crazy or not. I don't know. I'm confused, but every day I always think of like other ways to change my room around. So yeah, this is the vanity. As you guys can see, I already did a tour on that vanity. So here's the mirror. This mirror I got in Walmart. There's my Mac iPad, my Nikon camera, and this chair I love, which I got this chair at Ross. I really love this chair. It's really cute. So usually I use that one to film on my desk, or I use that one to film. And that one, my husband bought it. I forgot where. I'll ask him and then link it down below. But yeah, I love that chair too. It's really comfortable. It actually goes up and down, so it's really comfortable. So yeah, and then here on this side, I have this little white shelf. And in this little white shelf, I just literally have, like, once again, I have little quotes, which I love, guys. All good things are wild and free. And then love your life and follow your heart, which is true. Always love yourself and follow your heart. Don't follow your heart for others. Don't do things for others, but do it for yourself. And then here I have this little notepad that I got from, not notepad, look at me, this daily schedule or something, I don't know, some little booklet that one of my students gave me, because they know I love The Nightmare Before Christmas. Is one of my favorite, all-time favorite movies. And then I have, of course, my Bible, and I have this Victoria's Secret perfume, which I love. I haven't even opened yet. And then down in the bottom, I just have pictures of us, of my friends, me and my husband, our friends, him and his cousins, and things like that. So yeah, I love this little shelf. I still want to kind of like make more other things, but I like it nice and simple. And then I have this candle that is Mary Bright. It's from Sonoma, which I love so much. I can find it where I got it. I got it as a gift for Christmas. So, but I love the smell. Like as soon as you put it on, the whole room smells amazing. It is such a good smell. It doesn't smell like strong or anything, but it just makes the room smell girly and beautiful, and I just love it. And then here, this little shelf right here, I literally got it as a little basket for work, as a little gift, and it had little things in it. So I'm like, I like the color teal. So what I did was I just literally painted it teal, and then I mounted it. So I glued, nailed it to the wall, and then used it to put, you know, little perfumes and lotions that I use every day when I come in my room and I have to come out the shower and come in here, and I just spray myself. So yeah, I found, of course, most of these were in TJ Maxx. This one was a TJ Maxx, and then the rest were from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I have all these good things. So I like little knickknacks like that, but I like to be simple and pretty. So yeah, guys, I really didn't have a lot. I'm still trying to work on my makeup room and like really see what I want to do. So this is like an overview of the whole room. So when you walk in, you see this shelf, and then there's a closet, the little chair, the big window, the lights when I have them, the desk, my dog is over there, my desk, and then there you go, my little shelf. So yeah, guys, this is my little makeup room, beauty room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not extravagant, like I've been seeing some people have so many things. Me, I just don't like clutter. I'm a person that likes to be clean. I like to find my things. I like to know exactly where they are. I don't like clutter. I like things nice, clean, and crisp. So the less things, the more better. I don't want to come in my room and feel overwhelmed every day when I'm filming. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, God bless.